Want to dominate in Battle Royale? Patience and strategy are the keys to outsmarting your opponents every single time. Are you tired of constantly getting eliminated early in Battle Royale games? Do you struggle to survive against aggressive players? It's time to change your approach and start thinking strategically. Instead of rushing into battle like everyone else, try hanging back and observing the chaos unfold. Let the other players exhaust themselves, fighting each other. When right, swoop in at full strength and pick off the remaining players. By being patient and strategic, you can outsmart everyone in the game. Remember, it's not always about being the fastest or the strongest. It's about being the smartest. So next time you drop into the battlefield, take a step back and assess the situation before moving. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tricks. See you in the next battle.